Hey guys, it's Lindsay, and today I'm going to be doing a squishy collection. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe because this is like my first video, and so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So if you don't know what squishies are, they're like little collectible stress items, so they help relieve stress, and they're really cute. They're like stress balls. They can come in like you would use them for like squishing and they help relieve stress. And they're really cute overall, so yeah, I like to collect them. So let's get started. The first one I pull out, yeah, they're all in here in this little basket. The first one I pulled out was this little baguette. I'll say where I got them. This one I got off of Amazon. It's like breadstick. Okay, so it's pretty squishy. Yeah. Next one is, this one kind of matches that. I got this one yesterday. It's another bread squishy, and it has like a little chain. I don't know what it's called, so if you know what it's called, please comment. Really squishy too. It smells really good too. It smells like, it's kind of weird because it smells like chemicals, but it's like a good scent of chemicals, and I like the way it smells. Most of the cute ones like this, I got this one from Michaels. They're not really squishy, they're solid. Yeah. But I mean, it's like a stress ball, so this is the one I use for stress. It's not that defected. It's pretty good. Know what I mean? Next one, I have two of these, so I'll show the two at the same time. Are these two little hearts. They're super cute. You could like glue it together and be a heart cake. I wouldn't do that though. I like this. I like these. They're cute. Okay, the next one is this marshmallow bun. It's old and it's really defected. I'm gonna order another one soon. I got this one from Amazon, off Amazon. I don't have any iBloom squishies or anything, but I'm hoping to order some because I got a lot of Amazon gift cards, so yeah. It's basketball. I got this one from the Dollar Tree. All the sports ones I got from the Dollar Tree or Michaels. The Dollar Tree, it's kind of funny because they're like extremely squishy, but we don't go to the dollar store that much. I'll be like, hey, can we go get some squishies from the dollar store? And yeah, baller. But yeah, most of these I paid for them all myself, or I got them for Christmas. So yeah. I have this little cupcake. I got it from Michaels. They call them smooshers because it's like copyright if you call them what they really are called, I guess. I like that one. I have two of those. Where's the other one? It's like buried in here somewhere. Okay, so funny story about this one. As you can tell, it doesn't have the wrapper on it, and that's because I'm like, I'm not good when it comes to self-control. So I was like so curious about what it looked like with the wrapper off, so I took the wrapper off. Yeah, but I mean, I was like, I have to take this wrapper off. I wonder what it looks like. So I took it off and it looks like that. I think it was cuter with the wrapper on, but I'm glad I found out what it looked like. This one. I got these from Michaels as well. And this one. Okay. Next, this is probably the best squishy. Actually not really good because it makes me hungry, but I like it. I got it from Michaels. I got soccer ball from the Dollar Tree. No, I think I got this from Michael's. And I don't know where I got this because I got it for Christmas. Because my other baseball, right here, it broke. Well, I mean, I didn't really care for it because I put it in the Hydric press to see what happens, and it got really dirty, so I just threw it away. I think I gave my sister the other half, but yeah, it's really squishy. It's probably my squishiest one. Yeah, that's why it looks purple. But yeah, the next squishy is this Roadie Toast. I'm pretty sure it's the fake Roadie Toast. I'm not sure. I got it for Christmas. I love it. It's fluffy. Next, my favorite. That was probably thumbnail. Yeah, thumbnail. That was thumbnail. It's this Jumbo Turtle. It was my first, and it's super cute. I named him Jerome. I love him. He's adorable, and he's really squishy. The next squishy is this tofu loaf. I don't know how to say it. Tofu lofu. I love this one because it's super cute as well. And next I have, let me find the other one. Okay. I got these two cake rolls. This one has a tag, and this one doesn't. I took the icing off both because I don't like when there's like plastic on them because it's harder to squish. I love this one. It's like super squishable. That was weird, but. And then this one, it's not that squishy. My feet, I'm sitting on the ground, so my feet are hurting. Oh yeah, look what I got for Christmas. I got a tapestry. I really wanted one, so yay. I have this little coconut cake thingy. I have like 3 of those. Here are all of them. This one doesn't have the thing inside of them because this one was like really old. Not that squishy. I have a purple one. It's like really, it's not squishy at all. It's like solid, man. It's like solid. I'm going to try to hurry up because this has been a while. It's been like 7 minutes. And then this one. I have these 2 hot dogs. This one's an older one. This one's an oldish one. This one is just solid as well, but it's still cute. Next, I have this little chocolate cake. I got it from Michael's. I just straightened my hair for this video because it was like a mess. I have these 2 ice creams, both from Michael's. I love this one. It's super cute. And then this little one, it's solid. It's like that weird type of foam, and it's really defective. Have a bagel. Hi. Oh yeah. I have these 2 footballs. This one's like jacked up, and I'm going to throw it away because I don't care about it. Then this is the good one. No, it's defected. It's got like paint on it. Yeah, it's really squishy. And it's like sticky still. Sticky still. I have these 2 little things. I got them both from Michael's. And this one. I have these 2 waffles. They're really cute. And then I have these 2 macaroons. This one is defected because my sister, well, my twin, put it in the freezer. Comment down below if you want to see a twin tag or a sibling tag, because I'll probably do that as my next video. Actually, I don't know. I'm going to post another video next. I don't know what it's going to be, though. Oh, yeah, I have this tennis ball. I didn't say it. My bad. I have this donut. My mom just got home. And then this cupcake. I'm in my room. I'm filming a video. I was home alone, so. And then I have this blush bun. And this block of foam. And last but not least, I have this mini panda bun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a good thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. This was my first video, and I'll probably be filming more today just because I have nothing else to do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.